So at this point in the game, I'm just gonna click record and see what happens. This is not a recording studio. This is my living room. This is where I play and relax, and that's all I gotta say about that. So, it's my ongoing Forrest Gump joke. I'm Forrest Gump without the money. But I've been in some very odd situations throughout my life. Blarbity blar blar. I'm going to start this thing out. In, you know, kind of the 3/4 power position. I'm not a crystal clean player, but I really love this telly. It gets sounds that only a telly gets. And I'm going to put together this, I put together this backing track. I'm going to play along with it and see how this all turns out at this point in the game. And have a little fun with my telly and some of the tones I can squeeze out. I have, oh, wait a minute, I'll tell you, I have 2 minutes and 55 seconds to fool around. We're going to go around 5 times on this chord progression and in a style and just have a little fun with the telly. I guess that my time was up. So, I'm all tangled up by chords. I say, that's one way to test a telly. And that's all I gotta say about that. And, in that regards,
I'm having a Guinness. I'm gonna play some more guitar.